Do you know I never liked beans till I married my husband? He can eat beans for Africa. I was forced to like it, and then I discovered the health benefits of beans and finally fell in love. Beans has carbohydrates, is a good plant-based source of protein, fiber, iron, and vitamins that offer many health benefits. It's high in folate, which is essential for pregnant women. It has antioxidants, which helps remove free radicals from the body. It's good for the heart, gut, and liver health, and it also helps with blood sugar control. With all these plenty health benefits, tell me how I will not fall in love with beans. If you are one of those who suffer heartburn or tummy ache or gas with beans, one of the ways to fix that is by simply soaking your beans overnight, then drain and rinse before cooking. Easy peasy. Dr. Chinasa of Arela Health and Fitness always advises we should eat beans at least twice a week. I take that to heart, so I have plenty different ways of making beans. This is just one of the ways. Maybe I should even shoot a beans cooking series to show you different beans recipes. Would you like that?